I just have to show you how to install really simple SSL because we want our website to be SSL compliant. Okay, so we're going to install that one. Just have to go to plugins, add new, it's on the top, and search for that plugin, really simple SSL, this one, and install that one. You just have to activate it, and when your web hosting provider offers you like free SSL, this particular plugin called Really Simple SSL will just fetch that information of the SSL certificate and then activate SSL. So that's basically it. You don't have to do anything complicated when you install SSL using Really Simple SSL plugin. It's very easy to use a plugin like that. If you do the setup of SSL manually, it will take you hours to do that because you have to really see to it that the entire configuration are all correct.